Ripple price has sliced through the $0.382 support level, indicating a surge in selling pressure. This move needs to recover quickly and prevent sellers from having a field day. However, the big crypto's recovery is crucial for the remittance token to restart its uptrend. If BTC backs a bounce in XRP price, allowing Ripple to flip $0.382 into a support level, it will indicate the start of an uptrend. In such a case, the remittance token will eye a retest of the $0.448 and subsequent hurdles at $0.472 and $0.506. Welcome to XRP Insider. We provide the latest news of XRP Ripple. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. On the other hand, a breakdown of the $0.360 level will create a lower low and invalidate the bullish thesis for Ripple price. Such development could see XRP price slide lower and retest the $0.316. As reported by Whale Alert cryptocurrency tracker, over the past hour, slightly less than a dozen transactions, carrying a total of 4.124 billion XRP coins, were spotted. Per the aforementioned source, all these funds were moved from top US-based cryptocurrency exchange Bittrex. 7 transactions out of those 10 carried $500 million XRP each, and each of the other 2 transferred 300 million and 324,254,650 XRP. That adds up to more than 4.1 billion XRP in all. This amount of XRP is evaluated at roughly $1.5 billion. Whale Alert has tagged the sending wallet as one that belongs to major crypto exchange Bittrex. All of the transfers were sent to wallets marked as unknown by Whale Alert. However, details provided by Bithomp, XRP-focused wallet tracking platform, shows that the receiving addresses were set up by Upbit, a major South Korean crypto exchange. The astounding total amount of XRP transferred here, though, seems to be more than just withdrawing funds by an individual and was probably made by a financial institution, unless Bittrex was operating as an XRP custodian for Upbit, and now the exchange is withdrawing its Ripple-affiliated tokens, moving them to their own wallets. As covered earlier, on December 1st, Ripple fintech behemoth made a scheduled automated withdrawal of 1 billion XRP from escrow. It was one of the manifold escrows set up by the company in 2017 to begin regular monthly withdrawals in early 2018 in order to support the coin's liquidity on exchanges and send a portion to Ripple's partners and customers. Initially, Ripple created 55 escrows to withdraw 55 billion. This makes the final release sometime in the middle of this year, but Ripple still continues to remove a billion XRP from escrow wallets monthly. Over the past couple of years, Ripple has been locking 300 million or 200 million XRP back in escrow after each withdrawal, thus injecting around 800 to 700 million XRP onto the market. According to data shared by Whale Alert, there have been massive XRP outflows from prominent cryptocurrency exchange Bittrex. In 1 hour, an unknown XRP whale withdrew a total of 4,124,254,650, 4.12 billion XRP from an address on the Bittrex cryptocurrency exchange. Notably, the Bittrex user has transferred huge amounts of XRP coins to different external wallet addresses. 40 minutes ago, one of the whales transferred 300 million XRP worth $113.13 million to an unknown address. 2 minutes later, the same user sent 500 million XRP, $188.5 million, to another unknown wallet from Bittrex. The transaction kept coming as the same user transferred another 500 M XRP to a different address 2 minutes later. This time, the value of the transaction was worth around $188.59 million. A minute later, the same address also moved another 500 M XRP tokens, $189.39 million, from Bittrex to an unknown wallet. Another 500 M XRP coins worth $187.81 million were withdrawn from the Bittrex address by the same anonymous whale. Furthermore, the user transferred 500 XRP worth $188.35 million to another unknown address minutes later. Whale Alert further reported that the user transferred 500 XRP to an unknown wallet within the hour, while another 500 XRP coins were sent to an anonymous wallet a few minutes later. Finally, the last XRP transfer from the Bittrex wallet saw the user move 324,254,650 coins, $123.2 million, to an anonymous wallet. Interestingly, the transactions have drawn the attention of XRP holders, who were amazed by the huge transfer of the crypto asset. It bears mentioning that one of the factors responsible for the large XRP movement could be linked to the FTX collapse. Recall that the leading crypto exchange suffered a massive collapse due to the alleged mishandling of customers' funds. The exchange filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection, leaving over 1 million customers stranded and unable to access their funds. Following the FTX debacle, crypto users no longer store their assets on exchanges to avoid being victims of future exchange collapses. The Bittrex user could anticipate a win for Ripple in the company's ongoing lawsuit against the SEC. Several crypto legal experts, including attorney John Deaton, believe Ripple is better at winning the SEC in the lawsuit. A win for Ripple would see major US-based exchanges relist XRP, thus causing the asset's price to soar tremendously. However, should the blockchain company lose the lawsuit, the XRP price is expected to suffer a massive dip. J.P. Morgan, a global leader in financial services, will work alongside Al Fardan Exchange LLC in the United Arab Emirates, UAE, to power faster transaction settlement and transfers in fiat currencies. RippleNet partner Al Fardan Exchange LLC provides money transfer and exchange services in the UAE. The outlook on XRP price remains bullish and the altcoin is headed to the buy zone. J.P. Morgan, investment and retail banking giant, is now partnered with UAE-based Al Fardan Exchange LLC. The money transfer firm's clients will be able to make transfers in several fiat currencies like the United States dollar, USD, the British pound sterling, GBP, the euro, and the South African rand, ZAR, among others. Al Fardan Exchange LLC announced its partnership with RippleNet, Ripple's cross-border payment network, in January 2022. Hassan Fardan Al Farhan, CEO of the money transfer firm, said that the company's collaboration with global banking giant J.P. Morgan is attracting major global players from the financial industry who are returning to the UAE market. The exchange's users will access the service through the mobile application AlphaPay, which can be used for making remittances and paying bills. And making strides with new partnerships and expanding its global presence, Ripple is forging ahead regardless of its ongoing lawsuit with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, who have alleged Ripple's XRP cryptocurrency should be classed as a security with all the legal and regulatory implications that would entail. Ripple's team of lawyers, however, are confident they can win the SEC v. Ripple case. David Gokhstein, former U.S. congressional candidate and host of the Crypto Mamba podcast, believes Ripple's win in the SEC v. Ripple lawsuit is imminent. Gokhstein shared his views in a recent tweet. Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, congratulated the entire team of its legal counsel for their work so far and assured the crypto community that the payment giant will fight tenaciously to win the case. XRP price remained unchanged following recent developments in the SEC v. Ripple lawsuit. The altcoin is currently trading at 38 cents at its 50-day exponential moving average (EMA). The 41 cents level has acted as key resistance for XRP on nearly 4 occasions since November 2022. If XRP price continues its climb, the 40 cents and 41 cents levels are the next two resistance points where the altcoin is likely to meet heavy selling. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, a momentum indicator, is at 38, which is below the neutral zone. This implies XRP is close to the buy zone, an optimum spot for traders to scoop up the altcoin before it begins a recovery. CryptoFibic, a crypto analyst on Twitter, believes XRP price is ready for a breakout in Q1 2023. The expert noted similarities in the XRP price trend in Q4 2022 with Q4 2020, confirming his theory of a bullish breakout in the altcoin. In 2020, the price formed a similar bullish falling wedge pattern, see chart above, which led to an upside breakout, and CryptoFibic expects the same to happen in Q4 2022. Bitcoin bull Michael Saylor notoriously doesn't care much about altcoins, including Ripple, XRP, and Ethereum, ETH. In a most recent podcast appearance, Saylor spoke out about the classification of those cryptocurrencies as securities. In reference to the legal battle between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, Saylor laid out that he believes Ripple is an unregistered security. "It's pretty obvious," the MicroStrategy CEO said, continuing, "it's a company. The company owns a bunch of it. They sell it to the general public, but they never took the company public. There's no disclosures." He shared the same opinion about the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, Ethereum. According to Saylor, ETH is an unregistered security because it's controlled by a few people, the Ethereum Foundation and Consensus. Just like FTT, just like Solana. The MicroStrategy CEO went on to elaborate, laying out that pretty much all altcoins are securities and should be subject to SEC enforcement. While Bitcoin is an ethical commodity, all altcoins are just equity tokens issued by a company to avoid an IPO. And they are committing securities fraud, Saylor touted. Especially Ethereum. The Bitcoin bull pointed out that Ethereum has $20 billion in ETH tokens locked up in a deposit contract at the moment, and it's currently unclear when withdrawals will be possible. As Bitcoinist reported, withdrawals from the ETH 2.0 deposit contract are still not possible after the timeline pushed back several times. Currently, redemptions are scheduled for the Shanghai update, which will be the next major update after the merge. The fork is currently slated for March 2023. In reference to this, Saylor criticized the fact that there is a small group of people who decide if and when redemptions from the deposit contract will be allowed. Now, isn't that the definition of an investment contract? If a bank took $20 billion of your assets, froze the window, and said you can't have your money back, ever, maybe in the year 2024. We are not sure, we may give you interest on it. That's the definition of a security. The MicroStrategy CEO generalized that you can't rely on a few engineers, a company, or a CEO if a crypto asset is supposed to be a commodity. He concluded, "It's an investment of money in a common enterprise, relying on the efforts of others and an expectation of profits. If a person can make a decision, it's not a commodity." Ripple is attempting to dispute the application of that very definition to XRP in its litigation with the SEC. The fair notice warning as well as the common enterprise argument are among the most promising arguments for Ripple to win. Remarkably, Saylor just recently shared a Fortune report on the Commodity Futures Trading Commission's assessment. At an event, Chairman Rostin Behnam stated that the only cryptocurrency that should be considered a commodity is Bitcoin. In doing so, the Behnam-led agency completely backtracked from previous assessments in which the agency referred to ETH as a commodity. Just 1 month earlier, Behnam gave a speech for the Rutgers Center for Corporate Law and Governance and took the opposite stance. Michael Saylor's opinion is also consistent with recent comments by Gary Gensler. The SEC chairman suggested that Ethereum's proof of stake could lead to the token being considered a security. At press time, the ETH price saw a drawdown of 3.5%, falling to $1,226. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. See you again soon on XRP Insider, the leading source for cryptocurrency news.